Hello, have a good day. My name is Nairo Alexandra Ramirez. I'm a software developer and I'm studying economics. So the topic for today is how to get the data from World Bank to use in your models, macroeconomic models. By now, we'll just get the data, store it in Excel, and for the next videos, we will start to use that data to know more about the countries that we are studying and the population that we want to know. They give me a problem. That is, I need to select three countries with different levels of development and with different geographic regions. And I need to get the statistics from the last 20 years, and I need to know which the population growth, educational levels, how is the population, and the options to get the data are World Bank, FMI, Index Mundi, CEPAL, OCDE, and another ones. For this one, I selected World Bank, and I'll show you what I did. This is the problem, the text for the problem. So now I'll just show you that I got the data for Canada, US, and Colombia for the last 20 years. And I have everything here on this Excel. If I choose to do it by hand, it will be really hard to get all this data and to be accurate with the data. So I decided to do it by a script. So I'll show you the code. If I just close here, delete this one. Okay, I'll clear up my terminal. And as you see, I have a Python script that gets the environment variables to call the API of World Bank organization that is free. We don't need API keys to get information from there. And I'm using the indicators to get the data and to create the Excel, and I'm just saving the Excel on my computer. So I have activated my terminal, my WSL, and if you want to just use it, I will tell you you need to have installed Python, you need to know how to run a script, and no more. You don't need to know what's happening inside the code. And I will give you the URL of the GitHub project that is public. Is this one? The name is World Data, and it has the README to understand what it does and how to change the parameters to get different data. So I will just run it. The command is, for my case, is Python data Python 3 data.py. If you have another version of Python, maybe this command could change. So ask your AI to know which command to run. And it already created my Excel. So if I just go to my folder here, I already have the Excel. And I already have the data. But how can I change the parameters to get data from another countries? As you see, I have this file called .m, and I have this file called .m.example that is the one that you can see here on the project. And you can just copy and paste these parameters and you will get the data that you want. But if you want to change it on your .m file, you need to create first. You can just change the list of the countries. Remember that the code will need to be with with 3 characters, and change the indicators. If you want to use GDP per capita, just delete the other ones. It depends on what you wanna do. That's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience to watch my video. Thanks thanks for your time to watch my video. We'll create more scripts. I will create more videos explaining the scripts and to make easier for new economic students to start to involve more with software, with development, with new tools, how to build new tools to get information, to do statistic analysis, to all the data that we got. So thanks so much, and I will see you later in some new videos.